My first sound trigger happened in middle school. My dad would smack his mouth at the dinner table. I used to yell, "Stop chewing so loud!" or I would leave the table. Once my mom leaned over my shoulder to look at something on my computer screen. She breathed close to my ear. I yelled, "Stop breathing!" Misophonia is a condition in which certain sounds trigger negative emotions. Wet chewing bothers me, especially the open mouth kind. The sound of someone chewing gum brings me to tears. Loud breathing or yawning will send me into a panic. Sometimes, crunchy sounds tip me over the edge. My mom was eating M&Ms the other day, and I almost started crying. When I hear a trigger sound, my body tenses up. I feel like a deer in the headlights. The world shrinks to encompass that sound. The fight or flight response kicks in. I usually feel rage, followed by an instinctual desire to flee. It's as if an unwanted intruder enters your house. Your instinct would be to get as far away as possible. My stomach tightens up. I can't breathe, or I fight back tears. Conversely, there are a lot of sounds that make me happy. I found the sounds of dogs eating very therapeutic. I stick around when my 3 dogs are eating. I love the sounds of people laughing, birds calling, and the peeling of an orange. In college, I would peel clementines close to my ear if I was having a hard day. There is no known cure for misophonia. It's not classified as a psychiatric disorder. Not much is known about the disorder. On a first date once, my date made a teeny smack with their mouth at dinner. Oh god, could I ever make it work with a noisy eater, I thought? Fortunately, I've never had a long-term relationship with a loud chewer or breather. I used to wear earplugs at dinner, but my dad has since learned to chew quieter. I bring headphones everywhere I go. I refuse to let misophonia ruin my social life. If I run into a noisy eater, I'll usually put on music or get up for a quick walk. Now, I can go weeks without negative reactions to sounds, but there's the occasional setback. Recently, I was at the movies. Someone was crunching loudly on popcorn. It was a quiet movie, too. I found myself staring at the person. Every time they chewed, I felt enraged. It makes me nervous to think that I can develop disgust for new sounds. I'd love to have misophonia as an official diagnosis. I'd love for people to understand it's not them, it's me. I've accepted that misophonia is something I'll have for the rest of my life. If this is the worst thing I'm dealing with, I'll take it.